What's up, guys? It's Jayton, Head of Research and Product Development here at UMZU, talking today about how to use Testro-x. Let's get into this one. So, Testro-x is an all-natural supplement that is designed to help enhance testosterone levels and decrease stress hormone levels in both males and females. So it actually is able to help with all protective hormones and helps to decrease all stress hormones, but it was specifically designed to help increase testosterone levels and decrease cortisol levels, because that's the ratio that we're most concerned about whenever it comes to optimizing testosterone. So there's some individuality whenever it comes to this specific product that can affect how taking it can be optimal for you. So for some people, the ashwagandha and forskolin can have an energizing effect and allow them to increase their focus and productivity when they take it in the mornings. So this is great for people who have a stressful job and need to increase their focus and decrease their stress levels throughout the day so they can be as productive as possible. Then there's a second group of people that whenever they take Testro, the ashwagandha combined with the magnesium actually gives them a nice relaxed feeling and helps them more easily fall asleep at night and get a really restful night of sleep to attack the next day. So how do you know which way to take it is best for you? By experimenting. I would start taking all 3 capsules in the morning. If you have a sensitive stomach, make sure to take it with a little bit of food, but many people take it fasted with no negative effects. If you notice that you become too relaxed to be as productive as you would like to, then you should most likely take it at night. It might also take a few days to a week before you actually know what time of day actually works best for you. However, it's dependent on how you like to take it. Some people even take it in the middle of the day just because that's how they like to take it. So it can actually be taken every day. However, a lot of people enjoy cycling it by taking it 5 days on and 2 days off, which these are called mini cycles. And it actually helps the adaptogens work to their full capacity. So that's something that you might want to experiment with. 5 days on, 2 days off. So like Monday through Friday you can take it. And then Saturday, Sunday, whenever you're kind of off your normal routine, you don't have to worry about taking it. So others cycle it 3 weeks on and 1 week off. So the first 3 weeks of the month they'll take it, and then they'll take a week off and then repeat that every month. So this isn't necessary, but can increase the effects of the supplement just a hair. So try it out and see what works best for you. I am not a doctor, so please don't take this as medical advice, but I do believe in this supplement. It is a very effective supplement, and I think that it can help you a lot on your journey towards optimal health. So that's all I got today. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to you next time.